In this real review of Permalink, we're going to take a look at the shocking discovery: permanent traffic from a $181 billion network in 22 seconds, permablast any link for permanent free traffic and get us $391.71 payments every day. No complicated setup, no experience or tech skill needed, no waiting for results. Permalink is launching today, August 9th, 2021 on Warrior Plus, and it's from the laptop of Branson Tay. How to take advantage of this $181 billion permanent traffic network ASAP. I am going to show you inside of the dashboard exactly what's going on. But before I do that, I want to remind you this launches today, August 9th at 11 a.m. Eastern. This is Monday, August 9th, 2021, 8:18 a.m. Central Time. We're about 2 hours away from the launch. I'm showing you this date and time to make sure you understand exactly what I'm looking at and the time before the launch, meaning this product that you're going to see right here inside the dashboard is about 2 hours away from people paying money and purchasing this product. And I want to show you the state that it's in right now. Of course, this is JV access, or this is the access that they give everyone to review the product, to understand how it works, to know exactly what it is they're reviewing for you and showing you how this product works and telling you how great it works and telling you that they tested it and or they recommend it based upon what they had access to. But before we get back into that, let's understand what Permalink does, because it does all the heavy lifting for you. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Step number 1, purchase. Click the buy button below to secure your copy of Permalink now. Act fast before the price increases. Step 2, activate any link, website, funnel, or anywhere you want traffic sent to. Takes 22 seconds or less. Step 3, paydays. Sit back and relax as Permalink gets you unlimited permanent free traffic. Watch sales pouring in on autopilot. Now that we understand the 3 steps, let's go ahead and jump into Permalink and take a look at the dashboard and what it's supposed to do. Of course, here you connect your social accounts. Of course, this social account would be your YouTube channel, as you can see here, because the idea here is you're going to manage your YouTube channel. That's right, a YouTube channel where you're going to create content or find content and upload it to YouTube, not from the YouTube studio, or more correctly called the YouTube Creator Studio, which is the website where you manage your YouTube channel. Of course, you have your dashboard here. Here is where you upload videos, or you go here under Create, and you upload videos, you go live, you create a post, depending on the status of your YouTube channel. Then you manage your content. As you can see here, this is a list of the videos that you upload to YouTube, and of course your playlist. These are where you group like videos or videos in a series that you want people to watch. And then of course your analytics, which is where you see exactly what's going on with your channel as far as views, watch time, subscribers, and your estimated revenue if and when you get monetized. Again, this is the YouTube channel dashboard, the YouTube studio, the creator studio, where everyone that operates a YouTube channel manages their YouTube videos. So back to Permalink, the idea here is you're not going to use the YouTube Creator Studio that YouTube has given you. You're going to use Permalink to manage your YouTube videos, to manage your YouTube channel, and that's where you do this. And of course, again, go back to today's time and date, August 9th, 8:21 a.m. This launches today in about 2 hours, and this is the current status of Permalink. If you click Import Account, you will see it tells you Google App Settings not found. Please contact System Administrator. Again, as you can see up here, this is the joint venture account. This is the JV account. This is the review access account. I want to make sure that that's clear, but I also want you to understand that this is the account that you've been seeing. If you've seen other reviews here on YouTube, this is the one they're showing you, and there's nothing here to show you except for the interface itself. Again, you go down to Channel Manager, and the basic idea here is you manage your YouTube channel here. Here is where you will upload your videos. So you click on Actions, and here you're going to have your list of videos when you upload them. And to upload a new video, you would come over to here, and this would allow you to upload your video. Of course, again, Google App Settings not found. You are not connected to the internet. Please contact System Admin. This message is because I don't have my Google account, my YouTube account connected to this JV access, and they don't have anything set up like a test account. But the simple idea here is this is where you would manage your accounts. This is where you would manage your playlist. For example, you would click here, and again, this would be where you would do all the managing of all your videos. Also, this is where you would run like and comment campaigns, also subscription campaigns. This is auto subscribe and this is auto like and comment. This is basically automation where you can set up Permalink to notify you or when notified of a comment on a channel, then what will happen is automatically you will create a comment based upon that action or that like or that comment. If you click here to create campaign, you can see you can create a campaign name. Then you would select your channel. This would be your channel. Then you would create a template here, and you would, every time the keyword would pop up or every time the channel was targeted, for example, you would list the channel IDs here of your favorite channels or the channels in your niche. And then what would happen is you would automatically like, or you would automatically add the comment that's inside of your template. I would suggest you head over to youtube.com and you would read their rules and policies and understand the community guidelines and what they expect you as a part of the community or a YouTube creator, the rules and the guidelines that you are supposed to adhere to. Our community guidelines define what we do and don't allow on YouTube. They exist so that we can protect the community from things such as harmful content, harassment, and spam. Now, like comment campaigns, setting these types of things up is basically spam. Now, does the YouTube API allow for this? Most likely it does, but this is not the intended use of this type of tool. Again, this tool does work. It is connected to your account, so make sure you understand everything you're doing with your account because it's your account that's on the line, not the people that sold you Permalink. This is just a tool. Use the tool within the guidelines of the community. But moving on to template manager, here again, auto reply templates, auto comment templates. Be wary of this, of using this. Again, they have features in here to set so you can set it so it looks normal or more like a human. But the idea here is you can use this to reply to comments on your own channel. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. The idea of replying to other people's comments and other channels just on autopilot, again, falls into that gray area of spam. In my opinion, this is not the way you want to manage a YouTube channel. Of course, I also speak from experience of managing my own YouTube channel. Actually, I have other YouTube channels beside this one, but this one, 30-Minute Marketing, you can see I've grown this channel to over 6,000 subscribers, and it does quite well. It is monetized. So my opinion is based on the fact of actually owning and operating a legitimate YouTube channel without using any of this auto reply or auto comment managing stuff, and also not using a software like Permalink, but using the YouTube Creator Studio. Again, here you come down to tools, you have your search engine. Basically what this allows you to do, if you click on video and if you had access to it, because in the training they show you these things, and I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and show you the training and what's inside the training as of right now. Again, date and time, this is 8:30 a.m. August 9th. This launches in about an hour and a half. We'll go back to the training, and as you can see, here's the training for Channel Upload Manager. Again, this shows you how you can upload videos to YouTube using Permalink versus using the Creator Studio. Playlist Manager, this video here is going to show you how you can manage your playlist, again, inside of Permalink versus using the YouTube Creator Studio, which is the way that everyone does it. Channel Manager, again, inside of Permalink, you can manage your videos, meaning you can edit your videos, add the video description, set the language, set the privacy, set all the video categories, as well as the other settings that they have. But the problem here is when you take a look at this and you can see the fields here, they're quite limited. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fields before you hit save to manage your video or to edit your video. If you were to go back to Studio, YouTube Studio, Creator, and go under Content and take a look at all the settings for an actual video under Details, you're going to see here you manage your title, your description, as well as the visibility. You manage subtitles, end screens, cards. If you scroll down here, you can add your thumbnail, you can add playlist, you can also set your audience. You can set different things like paid promotion, automatic chapters, your tags. Now, some of this other stuff that you see here is from an extension called TubeBuddy that I use. But the idea here is these are all the things that you can do inside of YouTube Studio. And again, this is the way people that have a successful YouTube channel, this is the interface they use when they are managing their YouTube channel and their YouTube videos versus here inside of Permalink, again, inside the channel manager. Now let's keep going down. They have training here. If you get down to the one interesting thing that they have here called Link Wheel. I'll go ahead and click on Link Wheel. But the problem that I have here is I can't actually watch the training video on Link Wheel because it is still the mailer link, which is another Branson Tay product video that they have here in the placeholder. So again, I'll refresh over at Google. It is 8:33 a.m. And inside of the training, inside of the tutorial, before the launch, about an hour and a half before launch, they still haven't uploaded all of the training for Permalink. But the idea inside of the Link Wheel, if you go back to Permalink and you scroll down and you click on Link Wheel, the idea here is they're going to allow you to create a campaign. Of course, you can't do it because of the settings, but if you go back to Link Wheel, click here. The idea here is if you create a campaign, what will happen is you will create a link, and then that link will allow you to rotate the link. So for example, this is the same thing that you can do with any link tracking software, which is called a link rotator. So if you don't know what a link rotator is sometimes called a URL rotator or traffic rotator. It's a link that automatically splits traffic to multiple destinations, or you could change the link. In this case, you can rotate the link on a set period or on a timer here inside of the video wheel link. Of course, I can't show you that, and there's no training video on that. I just know and understand that is what this is, and that's what they mean by a video link wheel. So back to the sales page, introducing the world's first permanent traffic discovery, Permalink. Tap into the $181 billion permanent traffic network. This is about managing your YouTube channel from Permalink instead of managing it from YouTube Studio. And of course, you can get it for $17 when it launches, and it launches today in about an hour and a half. But before you purchase it, make sure you exit off the screen to save yourself $4. And instead of paying $17, get it for $13. But before you spend $13 on Permalink to manage the YouTube channel that you may or may not already have and start creating content and uploading it to YouTube via Permalink, take a look at this. Here's a list of everything you're getting today with Permalink, and then look at this list and the monetary values that have been assigned to include get results or get paid $300, which is priceless. Also a 365-day money-back guarantee, which is priceless. Total value of everything you get today, $10,964 for a limited time only for $17. Now, I love marketing just as much as the next person, but if you truly believe that Permalink and the vendor behind Permalink is giving you $10,964 worth of stuff for $17 or $13 if you exit off the page and get the exit intent coupon, well, then again, this is my opinion. But I'm going to tell you right now that if you believe this, I have a bridge for sale. I have some beachfront property here in Arkansas for you. Come on down. I'll sell it to you a lot cheaper than what you can get this for. And with that, my opinion, skip Permalink. If you want to start a YouTube channel and do it the right way, there is a link in the description for training that I use and I recommend to get started with YouTube. And from what you see here inside of my YouTube Studio channel dashboard, and because you watch the videos here on my channel, I think you know that I know what I'm doing and what I'm talking about when it comes to YouTube. So check that out if you're interested in starting a YouTube channel, because that is what Permalink is about. It's about managing a YouTube channel that you may or may not have. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, 30-minute timer right here in the middle of the screen. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Just like the video you see here, click it, watch it. I'll see you there, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.